how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone on your PC or computer or laptop for free. So first you want to open up your browser. Now in the search bar we want to type COD Warzone space download and then click on the first link. And now you can simply pick the platform where you want to get it. So you can get it on Steam, PlayStation, or Battle.net. So I'm going to click on Steam. Now you can also pick Battle.net if you want to download the separate .net Battle to download and run the game from there. But if you already have Steam, you can simply go to the Steam and get the game from there. So now you want to click on Add to Library with your Steam logged in. Then you can click on Play the game. You can also open up Steam, and in the store section here you want to search for Code Warzone, which is pretty much the same process. Now you want to click on Call of Duty Warzone and simply click on View Page. Make sure you change the date here and then click on Play Game, and it should prompt you to install the game, and it will tell you the size of the game, which is 164 gigs. Now you should click on Install and just wait for it to install the game, download it and install it for you. Now if you want to download it from Battle.net, you can simply do the same steps. You can come back to the website and click on Battle.net and then wait for the installer to finish downloading. Then launch the Battle.net setup and then pick a language, click Continue and Confirm, and just wait for it to set up the launcher. Now once the Battle.net launcher finishes installing, you will need to log into your existing account. If you don't have one, you will need to create a new account or potentially use Gmail to log in, and it will redirect you to the browser to log in with your Gmail account. Now once you log in, you should go to the Games section and then click on All Games on the left side. Now you want to look for Call of Duty, click on it. Now click on Play for Free, and you should confirm your birth date, and then it should ask you to add a mobile phone number, and this installation window should show up. Now you want to click on Continue, and then from here you should select which content to install. So you can install different types of games or content. So in this video we're just installing Warzone, so we want to check Modern Warfare 2 and then under it Warzone and Warzone 2022 if you want to, including multiplayer and co-op. Now you want to click on Start Install, and this is quite a big game, so you should have enough storage space in your computer, and it should take a pretty long time to download and install it depending on your network download speed. It's going to be over 160 gigs of space, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.